Welcome to the unboxing and assembly of the HeyBike Explore electric bike. With the bike, you'll find everything you need for assembly: pedals, tools, charger, cables, and the manual. You can now proceed to carefully remove all the safety wrapping from the bike. Then, let's start step 1. Use this wrench to remove the protector from the front fork and the front wheel. Then you can lift up the bike and put the front wheel in place. When installing the spacer, make sure that the safety hook is inserted into the hole above. Add the nut and you can now tighten up the front wheel. Use this tool to attach the handlebars. Start by removing the protection cap from the stem. Then, unscrew the screws on the handlebars and insert the handlebars firmly into the frame. Make sure that it aligns with the front tire. You can now tighten up the handlebars and fix them in place. Check the brake to ensure it works. Finally, put on the nut covers. Next is the fender. Start by sliding it in place. The front light is attached together with the fender. Use the included bolt and washers to fix them in place. Adjust the light and then proceed to reattach the lower fender screws. Adjust the height of the front fork by turning the button on the left side. The pedals are marked with R and L, meaning right and left. You can easily screw them in place using the tools provided. Installing the seat is easy. Just open the quick release bolt by opening the lever. Install the seat to the desired level and tighten the quick release bolt again. Detach, then insert the key. Turn the key to the right and press the button for 2 seconds to power the bike on. Rear and front lights can be turned on by pressing the light bulb button located on the light remote. Set the gear level and try the brake. To remove the battery, turn the key to the left. The battery can be charged on or off of the bike with the included charger. The charging port is on the battery itself. Now you are ready to ride. Let's go.